Welcome to RVA's Homily of the Day. Let us now listen to Father Abe Arganiosa as he reflects on today's Gospel.
Dear brothers and sisters, beware of false prophets. The media and social media are full of various preachers. Many of them are wonderful teachers of faith and bearers of good values for the good of the people. Unfortunately, there are also false prophets. Jesus called them wolves in sheep's clothing, which means they deceive people. There are religious leaders who command their followers to commit murders or acts of terrorism. There are others who enrich themselves by commanding the followers to entrust to them their properties and promising that they will become rich if they will follow him. Others live life of immorality and claim to be Jesus in order to have absolute obedience from their members. Jesus warns us to beware of them. We can avoid them by following the voice of God in the official teachings of the one true church founded by Jesus. The church is the pillar and ground of truth according to St. Paul in 1 Timothy chapter 3 verse 15. We must reject Satan, but we must follow Jesus. By their fruits we shall know them. So we Catholics must be very careful not to become false prophet in order not to fall into the same mistakes Jesus wants us to be, to produce the fruits of the Holy Spirit, which is love, joy, peace, kindness, goodness, gentleness, and self-control. We must strive to do good deeds as works of charity, helping the poor and the needy, to become living presence of Jesus for others.
Thanks for listening today. For more homilies, please visit our website at www.rvasia.org.